ज्ञानानन्दशमन्वितम् श्री चैतन्य प्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्द सहजितम् श्री नन्दनन्दनं वन्दे श्री राधिका चरणोदयम् श्री गोपीजना समायुक्तं वृन्दावनो मनोहरम् भज श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Sri Guru Parampara. All glories to Bhaktivinoda Thakur. All glories to Harinam Chintamani. All glories to Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories, all glories, all glories. Seems like today there is no questions. Let me check. No, there is no question from. Sounds like no. No questions from that. Anyway, today we have 3 o'clock one more class, it's 3 p.m. that we did already. And from tomorrow 3 to 4 will be the Bengali discourses. So now, according to our daily discourses, I'm going to continue it. I think we are going to read that. Text number 56, right? Karmi Jnani Ubhaye Krishna Bahirmukho. They are strange from Krishna. Karmi and Jnani. They means who? Karmi and Jnani. I think in this regard I explain about Karmi Jnani's whatever our Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, that both are, we can say, Karmi Jnani, both Karma Kand, Jnana Kand, both like a poisonous pot. But people are thinking this is nectarian pot. That is people's mind concoction. Anyway, but what our previous teachers, let me read about that. Karmi Jnani Ubhaye Krishna Bahirmo कभी ना कभू नाही आसादाये कृष्ण दास्यसु कभू नहीं आस्वादये कृष्ण दास्यसु कर्मी ज्ञानी बहि उभय both कर्मी and ज्ञानी Krishna Bahirmukh means they are not pleasing Krishna. They are karma, they are gyan, not pleasing Krishna at all. Krishna Bahirmukh. What is the consequence to become Krishna Bahirmukh? Chaitanya Charitamrita says, Krishna Bahirmukh hoiya bhagavancha kare, nikatastha maya tare japoti adhare. Krishna Bahirmukh means there is no intention, no any endeavor for pleasing Krishna with our activity. Then we can say it is Krishna Bahirmukh. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he says, Krishna Bhuliya means we forget, oh Krishna. They forget Krishna. What is the consequence if they forget Krishna? If we forget Krishna, what is the consequence? Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, we are coming here in this material world for three types of miseries. Suffering with three types of misery. भूलिया तुम्हारे संसार राशिया पे नाना विध व्यथा पे नाना विध व्यथा व्यथा means pain really pain. No one can say I am happy in this material world except devotee. Devotee means who has realization, who really realized devotional practice, taste of devotional practice. Except them, all are suffering. Just now, Vrindavan, Sama, everybody just like sweating. Looks like cats and dogs sweating. Like cats and dogs rain, I know, but to see the people that are sweating like a cats and dog. Humid. So this is one suffering, right? This is small suffering. Different type of suffering there. Bhaliya tomare samsare asiya. The samsara, this attachment. Always we have attachment to be here in the material world. How long this attachment with us? That many times we have to come down here with this, in this material world, with different form. Different form. Now human being, next life, who knows, maybe tiger. Maybe aquatic form, maybe tree plant. Mostly Kali Yuga people, they are shameless. Those shameless people, they always think, they are coming, the next birth is tree plant. Like Jamalad, the Jamaladgan tree, how it appeared. Nalakuber Munikri, the gods by Narad Muni. Why? But they are shameless. How? Because they are taking bath in the lake. And when the devotees, when Narad Muni coming, Bhog lage. So, there, Narad Muni coming, they don't care. That angels, they care, they scare they are hiding their private part. But they don't care. So, Nalakumar Muni agreed. Therefore, Narad Muni cuts them. And they give it. Because, oh, it looks like you are senseless. Become tree. Okay, go. Become tree. This is the situation. So Bahirmukh, don't be Krishna Bahirmukh. You may think I am fanatic of Krishna's devotee. I am not fanatic. I am just trying to tell you the reality. So Karmi, Jnani, Ubhayai, Krishna Bahirmukh. This is explained by Mahajan. Karmi, Jnani, Ubhayai means both Karmi and Jnani are Krishna Bahirmukh. They are not pleasing Krishna with their activities. Why? Just think about what is the ultimate goal of a Karmi. Karmi, they always keeping their target to attain name, fame. That's all. Jnani, they want to attain only mukti, liberation, march with the Lord. But it is not possible to march with the Lord. Therefore, just before this, Sei Sava Asura Vishnu Korena Sanghara. This is a demonic tendency. I want to be God. It is not possible. So what Vishnu are doing? Krishna not killing. Although we saw outside Krishna is killing Asura, demonic person. But Vishnu dare Krishna kare Asura samhara. Actually Vishnu is killing in the form of Krishna. Sei sab Asura Vishnu korena samhara, which coming to merge with Lord, Vishnu send them back to this material world. If I want, like you have lots of property, big, maybe $1 billion property, I want to acquire that. Will you allow me to take it? $1 billion property? Definitely no. Then we'll think about how to kick me out, right? Similarly, Krishna is Supreme Lord. Krishna's expansion is Sankarshan, Vasudev, Pradyumna, Aniruddha. Mane Vasudev, Sankarshan, Pradyumna, Aniruddha. Sankarshan expansion, Karanadaksha Mahavishnu. From his body, effulgent ray appear. All the Jnani, when they are looking on Bindu on top, that is this one ray. They want to meet that. And Vishnu says, hey, how can you be with us? You have no sadhana, you are not free from unwanted mundane desire, full of mundane desire. Go. Samhara means in that way. Samhara means destroy that all desire. Send them back to again spiritual, this material world. Again you have to proceed. So life after life after life, because we die, you pass your body with such desire, again you come down with same desire, you become again Jnani, again Jnani, again that, such way. You know, therefore we have to always think about this. কোনো ভাগ্যে কোনো জীবের শ্রদ্ধা যদি হয় তবে সেই জীব সাধু সঙ্গ করায়। It's not easy to get faith to connect it with sadhu and follow his instruction, so which is called sadhu's association, saintly person. It's not easy. You have to know, colleagues, in this iron age, so many sadhus nowadays. In this regard, our previous teacher explained, Kali kale sadhu bodo, sadhu pa kashto bodo jiver janiya, tai Krishna sadhu rupe ailen nodiyai. In this iron age, this age of deception, sadhu is extremely rare. Extremely rare. Kashto bodo jiver janiya. It's hard to find one sadhu. But in society you can see so many sadhus. Like me, like I'm wearing the robe of sadhu. By nature I am not a sadhu. So anyway, look, this. Therefore, Krishna in this Kali Yuga, in this iron age, appear in the form of sadhu, sannyasi monk. This is the explanation. Kali kale kashta bodo, sadhu pa kashta bodo jiver janiya. It's extremely hard to find a sadhu in this age of deception. Therefore, Krishna appeared in the form of sadhu in Nadia district, Bengal, West Bengal. Who is this? Who is this? Lord Chaitanya, right? This is code I am just giving you. Also, Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained in his Bhaktivinoda Bani Vaibhav. Bani Vaibhav. Vaibhav means opulence of Bhaktivinoda Thakur's instruction. Bani. Doctrine, I can say doctrine. So, in that book, one place, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, whenever you see so many sadhu in present society, then you have to know society is really in trouble. We know sadhu curing all the trouble. But it is fact. You can see all the saintly society means religious society, they are fighting more than normal householder. They are always blaspheming amongst each other. You know, therefore you can see so many temples, looks like temple competition. We are supposed not to do that. Competition should be chanting. Competition should follow the different vows. Ekadasi, I will observe to wake whole night, not to take any water, fruits, nothing. Dry fast. I keep dry fast, no sleep. That competition, good competition, right? Instead of that, temple competition. Suddenly so many agents collect money, make big temple. This is good. If there is only purpose, devotional purpose, but you can see big temple, big problem. There is management, to get the management board, member of board manager, and a board member, is a problem. Our entire practice based on humility. We lost that. Based on humility, because ornament of Vaishnavism is humility. But we are not in that trap. We are going another direction. But anyway, we have to know oil in your own machine. Don't think about others. Think about how much you are going to follow. That much, if you follow, how much you can. Don't pretend out of your capacity. Do natural. The Lord will reveal in our heart. So anyway, now, Karme Jnani Ubhayi Krishna Bahirmu. Before we talk about Karme Jnani, but here, from Krishna, straight. Kahu nahi ashadaye. Ashadas, they are not able to realize Krishna Dasya. What is the happiness to become a Krishna servant, eternal servant? Krishna Dasya. Bhakti, our Santa Goswami Maharaj, he composed very nice song. Krishna Dasya Boli, Maya Re Bhojinu. Krishna Dasya Boli, as soon as you forget we are servant of Krishna, definitely you will be servant of Maya. We are serving. If you are not serving Krishna, we have to be servant of Maya. The Maya Re Bhojinu, Bhojinu means service. Then Santa Goswami also says, the point is this, Ohe Guru Dev, এখন দেখি তুমি আপন গুরুদেব ভাঙিল স্বপন এখন দেখছি তুমি আপন means Gurudev, by your grace, by your mercy, I broke my dream. My dream broke. It is all dream. In dream, you are like a rickshawala, means a rickshaw driver. Hand to mouth, you are passing day by hand to mouth. But in dream, you see, you become king. You are ruling. You have so many queens. Your big palace, so much diamonds, so much gold. You're enjoying in the dream. So what happened? When dream finished, then he said, and then he saw, I am sleeping in his home, where no roof, right? It is moonlight coming from the roof, Not proper roof there, broken roof, no money to repair, small room. This situation, dream is dream. We are thinking that we can merge with the Lord and become God. It's not possible. It's a dream. So anyway, Kahu nahi ashadaye Krishna dasya. They never able to get the taste of happiness to become Krishna's servant. Anyway, let me see. Both the ritualists, means Karma and Jnani, and the philosophers are estranged from Krishna and thus never taste the pleasures of serving him, means Krishna. The merits and turns the soul to devotion. Merits that turn the soul to devotion. What is the merits? What is the advantage? Bhaktiro unmukhi sei sukriti pradhana. I already explained about that before. Anyway, it's good. Bhaktiro unmukhi sei sukriti pradhana taro phalo jive bhakto sadhu sangopana. How people get sadhu sangha? That I explained before, but again this, actually is Bhaktivinoda Thakur step by step explain everything. But I don't know, it is, bottom is there, therefore I explained before already. But anyway, just let me, Bhaktiro unmukhi sei sukriti pradhana. I already explained, there is one sukriti means pious credit, which pious credit, increase our devotion, Bhaktiro unmukhi sei sukriti pradhana. So many types of sukriti, but the best sukriti, pious credit is, which sukriti increasing our devotion to Lord. Tar phalo jiva bhakto sadhu sangopan. That sukriti, that bhakti unmukhi sukriti allow us to be close to sadhu and follow the instruction of sadhu. According to our sukriti, we are getting sadhu. Srila Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur in Gaudiya, once he said, if your tendency to cheat others, then Krishna will send you cheater guru. Yeah. Krishna will send you cheater guru. According to your tendency, our tendency, Lord is sending guru. So therefore, Gaur Krishna Das Babaji Maharaj, Guru, who came to take shelter of Gaur Krishna Das Babaji Maharaj. So many people, oh, only Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta. Why? Because Prabhupada is pure. Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta extremely pure. Radharani's spiritual descendants, Mahaprabhu's spiritual descendant. Therefore he is such type of guru. He felt inspiration. Although several times Gaur Krishna Das Babaji Maharaj rejected him in that way. He never said no. He says, I have to ask Nityananda. If Nityananda Prabhu order me, definitely I will give you mantra. So several times he reached, and then he said, I forget today. But today, nowadays, if it is this thing happened for others, then so many gurus there that, okay, you are not giving, like this year, that devotee name is Felu, Felu. It's from Medinipur. So, that person, illiterate person, illiteracy is there. So 16 years he took Harinam, 16 years. Several times he tried to attain to get second initiation. But Gopal rejected, because you are not able to pronounce the pranam mantra, how is it possible? Then he came to me, directly to me, and asking me, Gurudev, like this way. If you are not giving me initiation today, the Gurmuni, I will go next door, next temple, I will take initiation from there. I was laughing so much. He is speaking from his heart. But I was laughing in that tone, in that direction, index finger. If you are not giving me initiation today, I will go next door. They are agreed to give me initiation. Then I said, go and take that, no problem. Somehow or other, after no time he come back. I said, fellow who took initiation from that? No, how can I take it without you? So why you say so? Because they told me they will give me. But after that, their devotee says, do you think it is proper? I said, not proper, but what to do? I am 16 years over. I took only Harinam, all chanting Harinam. I want that mantra. Then I asked him, tell me, Prabhupada Pranam Mantra, Gurudev Pranam Mantra. He says properly, but due to the lack of education, his pronunciation is not proper. What to do? And Gaudiya Math Pranam is very big, Prabhupada Pranam Mantra, Gurudev Pranam Mantra, 8 line, 16 line. Okay, I will give it tomorrow. Then I become so happy. I looked at his sincerity, his adoration. That is most important. So anyway, tar follow jiva bhakta sukriti. So bhakti unmukhi sukriti is the best sukriti among the all sukriti. Bhakti bhog. I think I explained previously. Bhakti unmukhi sukriti. Maybe you are not doing, but you are not devotee now. But you make a big house or make a big garden. But the house, but your next generation, they become devotee. They are hosting so many sadhu in that home. What you made. You are not physically present. You may take bath, different life, several birth over. But you made that goes, the sukriti, sadhu staying, sadhu taking fruits from your garden, you are just accumulating the sukriti. When sukriti accumulate and condensed form of sukriti becomes shraddha, turning in shraddha. Therefore, you can see many people, they want to distribute water. I saw also today, although those people in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's bath, but they are distributing water today, I saw. Beside the road, people coming out, giving water, giving food. So, why? Even you can see, many people, they want to make a water, drinking water tap. If sadhu become thirsty, taking that water, that who made this, who spent the money to make that water tap, that person will get bhakti unmukhi sukriti. But normal people who is not practicing bhakti, that person will get bhogonmukhi, but enjoyment sukriti. But problem is this, when demonic person take, then he will get demonic sukriti. Demonic. Like a mafia, generosity good, but we have to always look about to whom we are giving. You know, this spiritual master used to say that someone asking you money, you give him money. He says, he need money. 50 rupees. Okay, you give him 50 rupees. 50 rupees, with the 50 rupees he purchases one knife to kill someone. You are also part of the sin. Then you give him money. You know, fish. Sometimes people are thinking that I have so many legs. I am not eating fish. So I will just make agriculture, fish field, make it equivalent. Fishery, like fishery here. So I will give the contractor, they will collect all the fish and only I will take money. So in this regards, Haribhakti Vilas says, 8 type, which giving money, which giving sammati means permission, which going to buy, which preparing, helping to prepare, which cooking, which distributing, and which eating, all are in the same category. Don't think that, okay, I am not taking what to do. In this regard, I am just telling on that base. So when you have to always look generosity. To whom we are giving money. Really he use it for devotional purpose or use it for material purpose. If material purpose using, then it will appear material enjoyment. You are helping, so much enjoyment. So material enjoyment is good or bad? If you ask yourself, then you answer. Intellectual people always answer, not good. Why? You will get attachment. What is the consequence? If you get attachment, then you will come down here again in material world. Our main goal to attain spiritual world. Understand? Therefore, Vaishnavas, they don't want to keep any material attachment. They are always keeping. They are always always maintaining their duties without attachment. Material duties without attachment. Yathajogya Vishaya Gunja Anasakta Hoya. Lord Chaitanya explained to Raghunath Das Goswami. So whatever your material duties, do it without attachment. Like here, Gaurari has 2 songs. If he say, I realize what is meaning of devotion. So I want to be in holy dham. I don't want to work at all. What will happen? Krishna will not be happy. Krishna will not happy with him. Why? Krishna will say, hey Gaurari, I give you 2 songs. This is my song. Your duty to look after them. Growing them with my devotion. That is your duty. You understand what it says? Don't think this is your song. Don't think this is your family. It is Krishna's family. Krishna gave me song. My duty to look after. Yeah. growing them with devotional practice. If you follow devotion properly, you and your wife, then they will also follow one day. Definitely they will follow one day. So anyway, the principal kind of merit is that which turn one towards devotion, for through it the jiva is rewarded with the association of saintly devotees. Saintly devotees. There are three kinds of merits or benefit sukriti acquired from pious action. One leads to improved fruitive work. Karma will develop. Another two, achievement of liberation, jnanmukhi, and that which lead to faith in exclusive devotional service to the Lord. This is bhakti unmukhi. Karmanmukhi, jnanmukhi, bhakti unmukhi. Such merit is attained through the practice of devotional activities, even without full awareness of what one is doing. Karmanmukhi, jnanmukhi, and bhakti unmukhi. To whom you are associating, you are helping, you are showing your generosity, accordingly you will get sukriti. The best sukriti is bhakti unmukhi sukriti. Why? Bhakti will take us to the abode of Supreme Lord. Therefore, karma will not take us. Jnana will not take us. It will not make us qualified to go back to spiritual abode. They will keep us here. শ্রদ্ধাবান হয়ে কৃষ্ণ ভক্ত সঙ্গ করে নামে রুচি জীবে দয়া ভক্তি পথ ধরে শ্রদ্ধাবান I already explained. The sukriti accumulate, which sukriti? Bhakti unmukhi sukriti accumulate. But anyway, like any type of sukriti, like you are coming here in Vrindavan. You look, so many people, so many devotees are suffering coronavirus. They have not have food. They are supplying food. That they are eating. They are offering your food to Lord, then they honor. In that such type of activities, small things, but it will create bhakti unmukhi sukriti. This bhakti unmukhi sukriti, there's so many ways. I come back to tell so many ways. The bhakti unmukhi sukriti will take us. Shraddhavan hoye Krishna bhakta sanga kare. And bhakti unmukhi sukriti, turning Shraddha, then Shraddha take us to the Krishna Bhakta. Krishna Bhakta's association. You can see so many people are coming to temple, but they are not interested to attend program. Just they are showing their form. There's so many people came here. Like nowadays, so many labor came working there. Just their goal only work. But who coming here who is coming here for devotional purpose, they will attend always devotional program. Early morning Mangala Arati, they will attend. They will not say, I am Grihastha or I am not habituated to wake up early. Let me sleep. They will give us so much excuse. The Saddhavana hoye Krishna Bhakta Sangha kare Name ruchi jive daya Bhakti patha dhare. Bhaktiman and Bhakti Unmukhi Sukriti give us that. Name ruchi, they will get taste of chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Jive daya, compassion to all living beings. While we serve to become all living beings. You can see, if some ants coming, mosquito fly surrounding you, will you kill them like this? Or you will throw it? What will you do? I saw my spiritual master do like this. And trying to blow mosquito out. I have seen to him. I was closely with him. I used to sleep in his room. So one day he said, Baba, too much snoring. Then I just left. From that day I never sleep in his room. But he needs some support whenever he can go to bathroom. He needs some support. Therefore I used to stay there. After that, I keep two devotees always night guard. When Guru Maharaj wants to go bathroom, they should take them. But anyway, so he used to do like this. I saw him. Even one day, one snake came inside his room. And one devotee, one of my godfather, name is Madan Gopal. I think you may know. Once he was Rajbihari's temple pujari, Madan Gopal. He was too small that time. He was trying to kill that snake. It was rainy season. Snake came inside the room and under his bed. He is just lying down peacefully. And then he said, don't do that anything. Just chase him out of the room. Don't beat him. And we did so. And he just go back. So, who has devotion, that person have compassion to all living beings. Even the enemies, they will not think that I have to do some harmful for my enemy. No. Therefore, Supreme Lord Krishna in 12th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, he clearly explained, that person is my dear, who is not discriminating amongst his enemy and friend. Honor and dishonor. Honor and dishonor. Happiness and distress. Who is keeping the same? It's very difficult for us to keeping the same behavior with enemies who has animosity. It's very difficult for us, but a real Vaishnava like that. They are not thinking bad about others. So नामे रुचि जीवे दया भक्ति पथ धरे. नामे रुचि जीवे दया, most important part to practice bhakti. If you giving us indulgence to upgrade our animosity towards enemy. We can chant, but it is like a syllable. We are chanting some syllable, not Harinam. Therefore, we have to be very careful. So, Bhakti Unmukhi, with the growth of faith, he keeps the company of devotees and takes to the Bhakti path, characterized by a taste for the holy name and compassion for all jivas. All jivas. No discrimination. No discrimination between criticism and praising also. Sometimes we become happy to someone praising us, so happy. Oh. And sometimes we become angry at someone telling something wrong about us. So it's very difficult. Very difficult to establish such character in this age of deception. Out of compassion for the ritualist and philosopher, Krishna provide them with indirect method of achieving him. Indirect method of achieving him. দয়ার সাগর তুমি জীবের ঈশ্বর করবে জ্ঞানী বহির্মুখ উদ্ধারে তৎপর. Bhaktivinoda actually Haridas Thakur said, Dayar, hey Bhagavan, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you are Dayar Sagar, ocean of mercy. O Lord, you are an ocean of mercy. Dayar Sagar Tumi. Jiver Ishwar and the master of all jivas. Don't think that which devotee, Krishna, Ishwar for them, Krishna, God for them, or which atheist, Nasti, Krishna is not Ishwar for them. It is not like that. Krishna is Ishwar for everyone. Therefore you can see, if anyone wants to be atheist, Nasti, Krishna give them very nice intelligence to become first class Nasti. If we have desire to become great devotee, Krishna give us effort. Krishna give us intelligence, association, all effort to become a great devotee. First of all, we have to think about what you want. So, Dayara Sagara Tumi Jivera Ishwar, you are compassion, you are an ocean of compassion, you are master of all jivas. Karmi Gyani, thus try to say both the ritualist and the philosopher through they ignore you. Although they ignore you. Karmi Gyani Bahir Mukho Uddharero Tatpar. Karmi Gyani, they are ignoring, right? Lord, they have some different goal. But Lord wants to deliver them. Like Lord Chaitanya, actually, Haridas Thakur explaining this to Lord Chaitanya. Lord Chaitanya, without discrimination, he is distributing divine love. Without discrimination. Who is qualified, who is not qualified. Jare dakho tare kaho Krishna upade Amar anga guru hoiya tarai desh. Krishna, Lord Chaitanya says, this thing, this context to that Brahmin, Marathi Brahmin, that South Indian Brahmin, who wanted to come, so left his family and come with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then Mahaprabhu says, no, you have to be in your family, with your family, and preach from here. Jare dekho tare ko Krishna Madesh. Even he says, Mahaprabhu says this, Lord Chaitanya says that to Haridas Thakur Nityananda Prabhu, that Suno Suno Nityananda, Suno Haridas, Sarvatra Amar Agga Karo Ho Prakash, Prati Ghare Ghare Giye Karo Ei Bhikkha, Bolo Krishna, Bhajo Krishna, Karo Krishna. This is the instruction. This instruction Lord Chaitanya gave to all of us through Lord Nityananda and Haridas Thakur. Amar Agga Guru Hoya, Bolo Krishna, Bhajo Krishna, Karo means, Bolo Krishna means chant Krishna's name. Bhajo Krishna, serve Krishna. And Karo Krishna Shiksha means read Krishna's books. That is the instruction Lord Chaitanya gave to all of us through Haridas Thakur and Nityananda Prabhu. But nowadays we are twisting this instruction. Why? We are going for money purpose. Each home. This is bad. Money purpose. Therefore we are split from Lord Chaitanya's path, although we are talking about Lord Chaitanya. Therefore we can see so much competition nowadays amongst the Vaishnava community. It would suppose not to be like that. But anyway, Kali Yuga, everything possible, everything upside down. Impossible become possible, possible become possible. That is the nature of Kali Yuga. Okay. Now Lord, which devotee, sometimes devotee also feeling some material desire. I can talk about this Dhruva Maharaj. Dhruva, 5 years old. Dhruva. He has desired to get further throne. But when Lord appeared through his meditations, severe, you can say severe meditation, you can say this word. Really severe. Severe meditation, Lord appeared, he forget everything. He was trying to glorify Lord, but he is not able to make any sentence. Lord has conch. Conch is the symbol of knowledge. Lord touched the conch to Dhruva, and then he actually invented so many Sanskrit slokas to glorify Lord. So this is a perfect example, Dhruva. And when Dhruva went to forest for meditation with the purpose, then my spiritual master used to say like this, Lord says, Ami bhiggo, সেই মূর্খে বিষয় কেন দিব সচরণামৃত দেয়া বিষয় বলাইব means আমি বিজ্ঞ, I have knowledge, I know the consequence to be attached with vishaya, means sense enjoyment object. I know the consequence. So why I will give him vishaya? I will not give him any indulgence to give vishaya. Rather, I will give give him my Charanamrit, feet bathing nectar. And let him forget a Vishaya completely. Vishaya means sense enjoyment object. Throne, king, position, name, fame, power. This is all sense enjoyment object. Don't think only attachment with woman. Everything sense enjoyment object. So anyway, so fixed your mind, Haridas Thakur, what he said, that you are distributing, you are delivering for everyone. Karmi Jnani Vahirmukho Uddhare Tattva. You are very, you are ready to deliver. You are inspiration. You have inspiration to deliver to even the Karmi Jnani also in this incarnation. No, not incarnation, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's form. Incarnate, I don't like to say, because same Krishna appeared in the form of Lord Chaitanya. He is not incarnate, avatar not, avatari. He is the source of all incarnation. Therefore, I don't like to use the word incarnation. So, source of all incarnation, who is same Krishna, that Lord Chaitanya. In this form, Lord Chaitanya's form, same Krishna, delivering everyone. So we can talk tomorrow about these topics. Daya Sagarutmi, 59, text number 59. Remember, almost finished, looks like. No. Oh my God. 72, 73, 75. Oh no, so many, 80. Ah, no.